Welcome back to our channel, entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting topic that will revolutionize the way you do business. We're diving into advanced digital services that will help your company get ahead of the curve in your industry. So let's jump right in. In this fast-paced digital era, staying ahead of the competition is essential for any business. To achieve that, you need to leverage cutting-edge digital services that can propel your company to new heights. One of the most valuable digital services is advanced data analytics. By harnessing the power of data, you can gain deep insights into consumer behavior, market trends, and even predict future demand. To support your data-driven strategies, you'll need robust cloud computing services. Cloud platforms offer scalable storage, processing power, and accessibility, allowing your business to operate efficiently and securely from anywhere in the world. In the creative industry, staying ahead means embracing advanced design and prototyping tools. From virtual reality simulations to 3D modeling software, these tools enable you to create immersive experiences and iterate designs more efficiently. Digital marketing is another crucial aspect of staying ahead in today's competitive landscape. With advanced marketing automation and customer relationship management systems, you can personalize your marketing efforts, engage with your target audience, and drive conversions like never before. As businesses increasingly rely on digital platforms, cybersecurity becomes paramount. Investing in advanced cybersecurity services, such as intrusion detection systems, threat intelligence, and employee training will safeguard your company's sensitive information and protect you from cyber threats. To implement these advanced digital services, partnering with a reputable digital services provider is crucial. They can tailor solutions to your specific industry and provide ongoing support, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. And there you have it, folks. By embracing advanced digital services, you can propel your business to new heights and outshine your competitors. Stay tuned for more exciting content by subscribing to our channel. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.